Hey, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki, and I love my GoPro, so I'm here, and you're here because you want to know about getting non-GoPro mounts for your GoPros. And so I'm going to tell you about the ones that I've got here in my hand, and then I'll give you Doug's score from 1 to 5, let you know how much I like or I dislike them. So I attach my GoPro to everything. Nikki would tell you it's attached to the car, the motorcycle, the boats, the RC cars, everything. So I go through a lot of them, and the GoPro ones are fairly expensive. So I found these, and you've found them also, and I've used them really effectively. They are absolutely standard with the GoPro equipment. All the GoPro stuff clips right onto them. They have the legit 3M adhesive on the back. And I've really used them well. I don't know what else somebody could want on them. You know, you pull off the sticker, you stick them on something, they work great, and then you run out of them and you have to buy more. In any case, these have worked really well for me. I will give them a full 5 out of 5 on the Doug score, and I hope this was helpful.